Hello, students. Good morning. We were studying chapter number 4, that is my district. Which is our district? Yes, Kutch. The name of our district is Kutch. In that, we have seen that different places, right? Historical places, pilgrimage places. We have seen also that different festivals are celebrated in different parts. Then different fairs are organized at different time and different places. Now continuing page number 34. There are different communities in your district. They all earn their livelihood through different occupations. Most people usually run their business staying at one and the same place. Some people have to wander daily for their occupations and livelihood. Means now we have seen festivals, we have seen fairs, we have seen places. Now we will talk about the occupations, costumes, and food taken in different areas. Right? There are different communities in our district. Right? What are communities? Yes, tribes. अलग अलग जाति के लोग रहते हैं. They all have different occupations. सबका अपना अपना ऑक्यूपेशन होता है, अपने रीति रिवाज होते हैं. राइट? दे हैव देयर ओन स्पेशल कॉस्ट्यूम्स, दे हैव देयर ओन फूड. सो some people are settled at one place, while there are communities which go from place to place for their food and livelihood. जैसे कहते हैं ना, बंजारे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं. And some, like we people, we stay at one place, do our business and earn our livelihood, right? So there is a table on page number 34. There lives nomadic tribes in our district. Collect information regarding life of different kinds of people from elders of village. Mean different communities, right? Yes. Example, you can write that goldsmith are there, then potters are there, carpenters are there, masons are there. So they have their own occupation, own costume, own food, and you have to write their tools and means also, right? What do they use or how do they earn money? Now, which aspects of life of an individual are affected by the profession? Can you answer this question? Which aspects of life of an individual are affected by the profession? मीन्स उनकी लाइफ में कौन कौन सी चीज़ें उनकी प्रोफेशन से अफेक्ट होती हैं. विच आर अफेक्टेड देयर रेसिडेंस, राइट, देयर प्लेस ऑफ लिविंग. देन what are the affected? Their food is affected, their dressing sense is affected, their tradition is affected, land is affected, plant, animal, birds, air, these are not affected, right, by their profession. So the second is the table is given, you have to fill colors. Means you can fill it in residence, in food, in dressing, in tradition, in land. These all things affect the profession, right? It is affected by the profession of a person. Then what is the need of residence in our life? Residence, it protects us from cold, heat, rain, we are safe, right? Yes, so this is all the need of residence. How does an occupation influence social life? Yes, the general life is influenced by two manners, by occupation, that is good or bad. If a man is doing good occupation, good business, he will live happily and comfortable. But if he is doing wrong thing, then he is not able to lead a comfortable life. है ना। अगर कुछ बुरा काम कर रहे हैं तो समाज, सोशल लाइफ उसकी अच्छी नहीं होगी, राइट। सोसाइटी विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट, so they can't live comfortably. Then what rituals are followed in a marriage ceremony in your society? Rituals of marriage ceremony means रीति रिवाज मैरिज सेरेमनी में वो हर एक कास्ट की अलग अलग अपनी होती है. सो यू कैन राइट द कॉमन रिचुअल्स, राइट, बिकॉज इट डिफर्स अप टू सम लेवल फ्रॉम कास्ट टू कास्ट, है ना. हिंदू में अलग होता है, मुस्लिम्स में अलग होता है, सिख्स में अपनी एक अलग ट्रिब्यूट्स होती है ना रिचुअल्स. सो इन योर सोसाइटी यू कैन राइट द मेजॉरिटी जिस चीज़ की है, जिस कास्ट की आप वो लिख सकते हैं. What difficulties have to be faced by the nomadic tribe people? Draw a box and the proper option. उनको कौन कौन से डिफिकल्टीज होगी? नोमैडिक ट्राइब मीन्स यस दे विच आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर, जो बार बार अपना जगह चेंज करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड नोमैडिक. उनको वाटर की प्रॉब्लम होगी, फूड की होगी, कॉस्ट्यूम की होगी, हीट कोल्ड की होगी, मोस्टली साइक्लोन और नॉइज छोड़ के सब चीज़ की होगी ना. Then page 36, from which grain do people make chapati or bread at home? You can tick the correct option or fill the colors. Chapatis can be made from wheat also, maize also, bajra also, barley also, ragi also, jowar also. Except rice and bunti, all the things can be used in making chapati, right? अपने अपने रीजन में अलग अलग चपाटी बनाते, राइट. देन इट इज़ अ ड्रॉ पिक्चर ऑफ फेयर. यू कैन ड्रॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ फेयर इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक एंड कलर इट, राइट. एनी पिक्चर यू लाइक ऑफ योर फेयर. नाउ इन द नोटबुक you have to write in the notebook, give the heading, put today's date for chapter number 4, right, and I am giving you hard words. Write the hard words. First of all, put in the index, then write the name. Now hard words. First is historical. It is on page number 29. You can see फर्स्ट टेबल जो है उसके ऊपर वाली लाइन, राइट अबाउट द हिस्टोरिकल, है ना, हिस्टोरिकल. देन सेकेंड हार्ड वर्ड्स, इट इज पिक्युलरिटीज. टेबल में लास्ट कॉलम है जो उसका जो हेडिंग है, दैट इज पिक्युलरिटीज, right. So these are only two hard words are there in this chapter. After that, the homework is to write the meaning of these two hard words. Okay, what you have to write that I will tell you in the next lecture. उसके बाद कुछ नहीं लिखना, हम लोग important points लिखेंगे पहले, ठीक है ना. hard words के बाद some important thing about district I will make you write, ठीक है. तो homework है, you have to write the meaning of this two hard words, historical and peculiarities. Okay, for in the next video be ready with your notebook, we will write the exercise. Thank you.